QuickCreator has just updated and we've enabled Google Search Console usage and Google Analytics. So I'm gonna teach you what it does. Let's get into it. Basically, what Google Search Engine Consoles do is that it provides webmasters with valuable insights about the website's performance in Google searches. This includes how many clicks you have, impressions, and the indexing status. It can also help identify and fix issues that may affect a website's visibility in search results. So it can tell you what exactly the number is for the people who have come to visit your website, what you can do better to keep it up in the Google search rankings, and it can also track your performance data. So moving on to Google Search Analytics, this feature allows website owners to be able to analyze how their Google search results rankings are performing in terms of their website. It also gives you valuable insight and data into what keywords are driving traffic to the websites, along with the information about the clicks, what kind of people are clicking on your website, the infographic, impressions, click-through rates, and average search results positions for specific queries. QuickCreator has integrated the two of them to form a unique analytical analysis on your website. This way, you can improve your website's search engine visibility and performance. Make sure to log into QuickCreator right now to try the very own product for yourself.